Hey guys, this is Jared with Profiles That Pop, and here's another profile pop-up for Michael. That is a wonderful picture you have there. The only thing I would suggest is zooming in, because if you go back out to where people would do a search, that's all they're going to see. It's not enough to make out your face. Otherwise, you're looking right at us, you're smiling, it's welcoming, it's a very good photo. Now your name is a little bit long, so we only get one full word and part of another in your headline. So that's also my other big thing. My immediate impression, I didn't even look so much at the headline as I did coming down here to your about, and I saw the word development. I'm a development expert. And I thought to myself, what kind of a development expert? And then I realized it was also in your headline. Now, most people would probably see the headline first. I probably would typically too, but I was jumping ahead and trying to look through things really fast. So you never know, right? So they've got to both be congruent. But what does that mean? Does that mean a business development expert? And then keep in mind too, you've got hashtag O&O, which I understand and I helped create that, so I understand what it's there for. But you don't need to repeat open new opportunities right here, because again, we're not left with much, right? We get part of one big long sentence. Development expert, 6 years, professional experience in administration of what? Doing what? It's not enough there. Now I'm relying on just the headline, right? Research, logistics, monitoring, evaluation. Okay, now I'm seeing some good stuff, but I'm going to be wanting to know, what did you do? So then the other observation I had for you, Michael, was I worked as an admin. You'll see here in a little bit later on that you use the wording like I assisted in. Even if you did assist, what was the end result? What was your role? Try to leave off the words like assisted and give it to us in a power action verb. So let me show you some examples. You have great stuff toward the end of your about section. You need to clean up that top part there. But if I look in here at some of your work, your background, here, for example, responsibilities. That right there is kind of a warning sign to a recruiter. When they see responsibilities, they think, okay, there's not going to be much in here. But then you actually did do quite a few things. So just get rid of that word responsibilities and actually do try to keep metrics in here like you have, the numbers, but explain to us what you did with those. But here's what I mean. Assisted with basic administrative. Assisted in ensuring planning. Assisted in, right? You've got assisted in 3 times right there on just this screen, and I haven't even opened things up. So you want to say instead with, what did you do about the administrative? Here, coordinated, you managed, those are good. But here you've got twice, all 4 bullets. Look at that, all 4 bullets started with assisted. Here, just start off with ensured, planning, or I planned and I implemented, right? Cut all that down and say here, I ensured proper monitoring. Then provided support. So you could lead with that. And then here you've got provided support 2 times, so look for the difference and start off with that key difference. But again, try to get metrics in there. So get to the good stuff ASAP, and help us understand what it was that you developed. Get those metrics in there, and let me double check. You've got about 39 skills here, it looks like. Data analysis, data collection, administrative assistance, hopefully those are your top 3. Make sure that for the job you're looking for, that if you can get it down to 3 ideas. Your headline was kind of busy, you have a whole bunch of ideas there. What are the top 3 things that you want to be known for and found for, is what I would suggest. You can short up your URL, and you definitely want to get rid of the competition. So anyway, those were a few things that I saw that you might improve in your profile. I really hope it helped, Michael. Hope you have a great one. Thanks so much.